Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. I go live every morning for the opening and closing bell. Everything you see here is real and genuine. This is my real trades, my real positions, my real money, and we're joined by traders and investors from around the world who share their trades with you, their real money. Today we are down a little bit. Is it anything to worry about? Not in my book, it's not. We've had several weeks now, at least 7 weeks of being up, and now we've got a few days of pullback. I said today was going to be a red day, and in fact it is. So there we go. No worries at all. It's part of trading. It's part of investing. Take the ups with the downs. It's the way it goes. All right. Welcome everybody. Click subscribe and ring the bell. Let us know you're here. Give us a thumbs up, and we'd love to welcome you to the show. This is my overall portfolio right now. Who was here first in the pre-show? It was Dexter Sickles. Come back in now on the live show, and I can post your name on the score, but on the screen. The first person who was here was CMV Studio. Tom, there you go, our DJ for our convention in the UK. Tom is here. Wonderful stuff. If you're over there on TikTok, welcome to all of you. Thank you very much indeed. If you want to join us on YouTube, this is the channel you need to join on, youtube.com/thedaytrader1. It'll appear up here in a couple of seconds. There it is. You see it there? Look, youtube.com/thedaytrader and the number 1. Very, very easy. Okay, very, very easy. There it is. Come and join us on YouTube. Links in the profile, or just type that in. We do cash giveaways every Friday. Lots going on, and I can promote your channel. We have a lot of fun. All right, fantastic. Let's get straight into the trades right now. Okay, first of all then, our portfolio is down 1.64 today. Rio Tinto is up 3.5 today. I'm up 6.5% now. It's a big part of my portfolio, nearly 3%. And we've got the dividend payout, which will automatically be reinvested. So we're very, very happy with that. The S&P is down slightly today, but we've been down as much as 10-15%. We're only down 1.1%. I'm okay with that. The big story of the day, of course, is SPCE, down nearly 3%. Am I concerned? No. This is the nature of the game with this stock. They're hiring now. Things are looking better and better for Virgin Galactic. And on a down day like this, I'm still up. There was times when it kept going down below. Well, we've still got some time, of course. Anything could happen, but I'm still up 5.5%. Still in profit on this one. Okay, $1,000 is gone from where I was, but that's okay. We're holding it. No problem at all. Virgin Orbit is now stabilizing. We're up 2.6%. 7.87 now. It's getting virtually impossible for me to pick up that $3.25 target, but there you go. I do have it set there. Tesla is down today. I said today Tesla could reach $900. It's had a good go at it earlier. It was 829, and remember we were only 696 a few days ago. Didn't quite get there today, but never mind. Over there on TikTok, how are you all doing this morning? Lovely to see you here. If you want to join us on YouTube, there is the link at the top there, youtube.com/thedaytrader1. See it there? There is a link if you want to join us. The link's in the profile, or just type that in. All right, good stuff. Okay, let's go back to our trades and continue. Lucid is down 4.64. Polestar is down 0.67. Arrival is down 3.14. Oil has now peaked, guys, so I think oil prices have peaked. I said Tesla 900 in the phone call last night. Tesla could reach 900. I think it will. Not today, though. It doesn't look like. I'm over there on Twitch, says Mike. Let's bring Mike up on the screen from Twitch. Thank you so much indeed. 87 followers now we have over on Twitch. We're nearly at 100. Incredible growth. Really, really great. We got 6 subscribers, which is absolutely wonderful. Remember, everybody subscribes to me on Twitch. It's free to subscribe to me on Twitch using Amazon Prime. Tom, could you check something for me? It's I looked yesterday about the Amazon Prime thing. I think you have to have Amazon Prime Gaming, not just Amazon Prime. Can you just double check that for me, Tom? I think you have to have Amazon Prime Gaming, not just Amazon Prime. Okay. Anyway, if you do have that, you can subscribe for free on Twitch, and the benefit is every month on the first Friday we do a cash prize giveaway. All right, there we go. There's a link in the chat. Oil been down in price for the last 4 weeks. Yeah, it's certainly peaked. in my opinion. I think the time is to be more than ever into end phase energy, which is this one. End phase energy gave me a free option the other day to get in. I'm up 21% now on end phase energy. It doesn't come with a dividend. It is a growth stock, and I'm very happy with that. I've made 21%. I have a decent amount. It's at 2% of my portfolio. It's a good position to be in. I'm very happy with that. But there you go. I'm holding that position. Right. Let's open the Discord lounge up for everybody. If you want to call in, you can. You can be live on the show. Have your say. It is for YouTube members only. If you want to be on Discord, you can. Here is the Discord link. You can be on Discord. But if you want to be having exclusive channels, have your own channel if you want to, you need to be a YouTube member. Rob Brennan, I hate red days. Boo. That's the wrong way around. I love red days. Red days allow me to potentially lower my averages and get stocks that are cheaper. Like Warren Buffett says, green days, he just sits back and watches his stocks grow. And I like red days because it allows me to get the stocks I want at the price I want, or at least potentially like that. So I want Virgin Orbit to go down to 325. I want to buy some more Virgin Orbit. I know Virgin Orbit is going up. I just want to get more of it at 325. It's not a red day for me. Mark Corn, here he is. How are you, Mark Corn? Lovely to have you here, Mark. Mark, I think, didn't Mark win the mug the other day on Twitch, but you wasn't in. We went right down to the last person. Seb Dean won the mug. Oh, you're COVID free. That's great. Would all our members please, and everybody, all our guests, please congratulate. Great news, Mark. Great news, Mark. There we go. Great news, Mark. Going to put that in the chat. And I'm going to paste it. As well. There you go. Great news, Mark. Mark Corn is COVID-free. And there we go. Nice one, Mark. Sorry, I'm not about all the time. Yeah, I know you missed out on winning a mug. Because you are a subscriber on... Mark, maybe you could tell me. Because you're a subscriber over there on Twitch. Can you tell me, because I've been telling everybody you have to have Amazon Prime, but I believe it's Amazon Prime Gaming you have to have a free subscribing opportunity. Is that right? Because you are a subscriber, hence why you were in the draw the other day. But we do it on the first Friday of every month. We give away a Twitch prize to our Twitchers. Members poll, please. What music do you want at the Day Trader party? Disco, classics, or mixed show? There we go. We'll do that in a minute, Tom. Tom wants to do a Prime equals Prime Gaming, I'm pretty sure. I don't know. If anyone's got Amazon Prime, could they try it, please? Could they try it? Because Leah has Amazon Prime, my wife. She has Amazon Prime, and she tried to do it, and it said she needed Amazon Prime Gaming, and she didn't have that. Anyway, Ali Isles is here this afternoon. How are you, Ali? Canterbury Music Vibe. Tom says check Discord. Okay, I'll have a little look in Discord. Is it in links for the show, or have you sent me a private message? I don't see anything. Oh, you are in the show. Tom wants to call in. Tom wants to call into the show. It looks like Tom wants to call in, and we can bring Tom into the show right now. Okay, so let's unmute Tom and welcome our DJ for the convention in the UK, the Cornwall, the United Kingdom Day Trader Tour. Tom, welcome to the Day Trader. How are you? I'm very well. Nice to see you. For those of you who don't know, on the 15th of October in England, we are all meeting on the beach in the afternoon. That's for all the Kickstarters. And the Kickstarters are now being given the invitation. Did you say you couldn't hear that? Tom, can you just say hello again?
Yeah. Morning, afternoon, evening, everyone. How are we all doing?
There you go. That's better. He was muted for a moment. Brilliant. Sorry about that, folks. Okay, so what we're doing on the 15th of October in the United Kingdom, in Cornwall, on the beach, we are having the party, the get together on the beach for the Kickstarters. It's part of the. It's part of the making of the movie for Virgin Orbit. And as you always know here, I always undersell and over-deliver. For all of you that backed the campaign that are coming to Cornwall, we've got an extra thing for you for free because you backed it. We want to say thank you. We're going to meet at the Victoria Hotel in Newquay on the evening of the 15th of October. And we're going to have a little get together, and Tom is our DJ. Tom is coming down from Canterbury to be our DJ for the evening. Absolutely great. And if you are not a backer of the project, but you're thinking, hang on a minute, this sounds brilliant. There's a party going on. We've also got a discounted rate if you want to stay in the hotel for the evening. Meet all the fellow traders for a night to remember. Then we've got people coming from all over the world. We've got our Alicia ladies from Italy. We've got one from Canada, a couple from America, and several from the UK. If you want to be there, it's a $50 or a £50 super chat. All right, go into the super chat, do a $50 or a £50, and you'll get a ticket, and you'll be invited to the party. So talking of the party, we have got live on the show today, Tom, the DJ, who will be hosting the party. How are you, Tom?
Yeah, doing good, thanks. And you don't know this yet, Martin, because I was working on it after we had our pre-show catch-up like we normally do. I will also be recording that set an evening, so people who can't make it that have backed it, or once the party has happened, we can launch it on YouTube and in the Discord so people can see the wonderful set that we're doing that evening.
Wonderful stuff. Absolutely brilliant.
That's a new feature that's being added. But it's not just a DJ show. I know a lot of you do watch me on YouTube. There will be a full light show as well, so we are really properly going to party. So it's not going to just be someone pressing a play button like Martin always jokes about as a DJ.
That's right. That's what DJs do. I know what they do. They come along to a party, charge thousands of dollars, and they go, play. And I go, hang on a minute, I could have done that myself. Why did I hire you?
Yes, but what you will get to see, Martin, as well, is actually how I'm not just a DJ, I'm also a lighting guy, a stagehand, and a sound technician, because I do believe the World Piano Man might be putting a song or two in there. I don't know yet.
You never know. You never know, eh? Anything can happen at one of these parties. Anyway, Tom, thank you for doing it.
In Cornwall.
Thank you for agreeing to be there and being part of the event. So if you want to be part of the event, if you are already a backer for the Kickstarter, you are already automatically invited if you can get to Cornwall on the 15th of October. But if you are not a backer and you didn't even know anything about all this, now there is another opportunity for the party in the evening to get together. It'll probably be once in a lifetime. I doubt if it'll ever happen again. The day trader on a world tour of England, and we're all going to meet up. So if you want to be there, you just do a $50 or a £50 super chat. I've just done it that way, so it's easy, guys, in the super chat. And you will then be invited and you can be at the party. All right, good stuff. So apart from that, Tom, how are you today?
You know, everything's all good. I've just looked into that Prime for Twitch setup that you asked me to have a look at. That's how quick I get things done
Thank you.
In the background of the show.
Thank you.
Yes, it is Prime Gaming, but that is really, really simple and easy to set up. All you got to do is literally go onto Amazon, type in Prime Gaming, and it comes up right at the very top of the page, as far as I can remember off the top of my head, that you activate Prime Gaming with Twitch, and it's all ready to go.
So does Prime Gaming cost extra money on top of Prime?
No, it's all included in your Amazon Prime. So it doesn't matter if you pay monthly or you pay yearly, Prime Gaming is included.
You just got to turn it on.
Yes, you just got to literally activate the Prime Gaming setup with Twitch.
Okay, brilliant. Fantastic then. Okay, well there you go. So for those of you who didn't know, if you've got Amazon Prime, you turn on Prime Gaming, it's free, and then you can subscribe to me on Twitch and you can be in the once a month free draw. And the winner this month was Shad, who's in the stream right now. And Caden would have won if he hadn't have replied for one more second, because we only had Caden left in the show, in the draw, and he would have won it. But never mind. We do it every month on the first Friday. There'll be cash prizes most of the time. But this was the first one, so we did a prize anyway. Tom, thank you ever so much for calling in. Is there anything you want to say to the family before I let you go?
Well, just say, if you guys hadn't thought, well, I'll get my words out in a minute. For all of you that did back the Kickstarter, I know me and Martyn have spoke about it off air, and I know he's really happy with everyone that supported. So a big thank you from sort of the background team and from Martyn on that side of things. And if you guys do want to be at the party, as he said, it'll be a one-off party, but what a night we're going to have for that. I know there is a membership poll coming up in a minute for you guys to pick what music you want there. So if you are going along to that party, if you let us know, we can then put one heck of an evening together. I know there's a few other bits in the background that we're working on that, if happens, we'll obviously let you know about from the party side of things. But yeah, can't wait for that night. It's going to be a great night.
All right, Tom, thanks for calling in. I'm going to have to let you go. Thanks once again. I'll do the poll in a minute. Cheers then, mate.
No problem. See you later, everyone.
Cheers. Bye-bye. There we go. There's
Bye.
CMV Studio Tom. He says, I want Metallica. We'll just do some headbanging music, shall we? Let's have a read some of these comments that I might have missed. Ali Isles, Caden, are you coming? Mark, are you coming? I wish Ali, I'll be in school, though. I have Prime Gaming. There you go. Caden just said, pull a sickie, Caden. There we go. Me, Shadstream. Yeah, I'll take over a private jet. There we go. Get a private jet. Hope to see you there then, Caden. I was driving and think I was behind. He just got in. I want Metallica. Hope there is some $200 steaks for everyone. Oh, yeah, that's right. You pay $50 or get it free as a backer and you get $200. Yeah, that's right. That's going to happen. Right. Okay, back to the stocks right now. So if you are a backer, you'll already be invited. If you're not, you do a $50 super chat and say, I want a ticket for the party, and you will be sent that ticket. All right. Show SPCE. Let's do it right now. SPCE is down today, 3.28. Rob Brennan is feeling some pain right now with Virgin Galactic, but if you've been a long-term investor on Virgin Galactic like I have, you will know that this is looking okay. What do I mean by that is it's been so I've actually been at a loss. I'm up 5.43% on days when the market is selling out. Over the last few months, I've been down 5, 6, 7, 8, even 10% on Virgin Galactic. Today is a sell-off day. Some of the big stocks are down, and this is down by 3%, but I'm still up. So what I'm getting to is its lows are much higher, if you put it that way. The lower highs have moved up. So at the end of the day, we are down today, but it's forming a higher lower bottom. So I'm not concerned at all. And if it goes down to $4, I will buy some more, as I've always said I will. Remember, at the moment, I'm not day trading it because this is a bear market still. We are turned bullish on certain days. We've had a bull rally, but if you like the stock and if you trade it in and out, you might only be able to do that once because it will pop up again and go down again, and you might end up paying more than you paid for it first time. So you really have to decide if you're going to start investing. What are you, a day trader on Virgin Galactic, or are you a long-term trader on Virgin Galactic? I've already traded Virgin Galactic when it was a bull market. We're now in a bear market, so things do pop back down again quite quickly. So I'll pick up some more if it goes significantly lower, but I'm not selling it right now because I'm not going to sell a stock for $6 that potentially will be worth $100 later on this year. That's just crazy. All right, so there you go. Thank you ever so much. Shared the live. Encourage more viewers to share. Divine shared the live. How very nice of you is that? Thank you very much for sharing my live. That's very kind of you. Appreciate it very much indeed, everybody. I've got a little button here called Interact. What does that do if I press that? Conversation starters poll. Get your viewers. Oh, hang on a minute. I can do a poll. Clearly state your question and what the default options and right. Okay. Let's do a poll. How can I start with this then? All right. Oh, what was the question? I have no idea. Happy or sad? Let me have a look at that. What does that mean? Okay. I might have started a poll. Happy or sad? Are you happy today the stocks are going up or down? I don't quite know how that poll worked there. Anyway, that was a bit daft. If you're over there on TikTok and you want to be part of the YouTube show, it's youtube.com/thedaytrader1. It's coming up here right now. The links are in the profile as well. Make it very, very simple. But there you go. There's the channel, The Day Trader 1 on YouTube. Come and join us and you can be part of the family and join in our free prize cash giveaways. All right, there you go. There we go. I've got some smiling faces now. There you go. Thank you very much indeed. We are running a poll. Here he is. Sam. How are you today, Sam? I'm still in talks with my mum about Cornwall. The only thing is it's a long way. Yes. Sam, I'm glad that you called in today. I was going to message you at the end of the show. Sam, it's too far for you to come. To bring your equipment or whatever it is. You're welcome to come to the party, but it's too much to come to do the show. So we're going to go with just with the DJ, and I'm going to get up and do a little bit with Tom and so on and so forth. So Sam, thank you for considering it, but it's too far for you to come, and we'll try something else in the future. I asked Sam to get involved because Sam mentioned about he wanted to do something with me, and this was the opportunity to do it. But he's the other end of the country, and anyway, he's got to ask his mum. We can't have you asking your mum. We can't put your mum to all that trouble. So there you go. Don't tell your mum. Don't worry about it. Martyn Lucas has got it sorted. So thank you, Sam, for considering it, but I think it's a bit too much for you to ask your mum to do that. All right. Anyway, Alicia and Patricia have just come in, and you've just missed the announcement. On the 15th of October, you girls are going to be on the beach in Cornwall. Well, as backers, we're giving you something a little bit extra. What we're going to do is we're having a party in the evening, which is free for you to attend as backers, and we have a discount at the hotel as well. So if you want to stay at the hotel in Cornwall on the 15th, once we've had our fun on the beach, there's a party in the evening. Tom's being the DJ, and you can stay in the hotel if you want to. I've arranged a discount, and that is free. For anybody else that wants to be part of it, it's $50 or £50 in the super chat, and you'll be invited to the party. And you can also stay at the hotel. There's discounted rates if you want to do that. All right. Okay. Yes, Tom's coming a similar distance. The difference is, though, Sam, I don't want you to put your mum out, really. It's too much. If you were able to do it yourself, that's one thing. But when you said about your poor mum bringing you down, I thought, hang on a minute, that's too much. All right, so there we go. But thank you, Sam, for considering it. Hello, Martyn. How do you think XRP will rise after the lawsuit is finished? I don't know. Really, I'm not that familiar. I'm not the best person to ask, if I'm honest, on that. So if Paul B comes in, we'll ask him. Aquatic, Paul B often comes in, we'll ask him about XRP. Do you think it will rise after the lawsuit? Okay. All right. Rio Tinto, Vanguard SNP is starting to come up. See, I'm not worried today. I think we found a new bottom in SPCE. Those of you that don't really believe in the stock, that are day trading it, are fearful. And I understand you're fearful, but I am up 5.5% on it. I'm holding it. I'm not worried. All right. So Patty and Alicia, did you hear what I just said about the party? That's in the evening. Okay. I'm guessing Paul B is a major investor. Yes, Paul B is a major investor. He is most certainly a major investor, but he has made profit from it though. It depends where he is right now. Let's go through all our stocks right now. Have a little look. If you're over there on TikTok, good morning. We got Rob and Zen Habits. We got our moderators over there on TikTok today. Very quiet on TikTok today. We had several thousand this morning. And for those of you over on TikTok, if you want to be part of YouTube right now, here is the link coming up now, youtube.com/The Day Trader 1. Links in the profile here, just in here, but there is the channel. If you want to be part of it, just come on into YouTube right now on this address, and I will tell you how you can be in our free prize cash draw, okay, for free, completely free. Okay. Virgin Orbit is up 2.6. Tesla is down 1.28. And there we go. Rivian is down 1%. Lucid is down 4.65. Polestar is down 0.34. Arrival is down 3.46. Amazon is down 1.63. Apple is down 0.88. Robinhood is down nearly 3%. We are getting a bounce now into the close. I do expect a bounce into the close. Now, this is very significant, folks, because in the morning, it's earnings season really gets in. Yes, Alicia just found out. That's awesome. Yes, there's a party in the evening as well. Yes, and Tom's our DJ. That's free for all of our backers. Those of you that back the Kickstarter, that's an extra thing. That's free. Okay. Coca-Cola is... yes, so this is what I've got to mention. In the morning, very important. We are opening early tomorrow. We go early, Coca-Cola and McDonald's. Early. Just 15 minutes early tomorrow morning, we are doing the earnings for McDonald's. Okay, here we go. There you go. Okay, there it is. So go and leave a like and click notify and leave a comment in the chat. Get yourself all registered. And straight after the closing bell in the afternoon, we have another earnings. It's a mega day tomorrow. We've got the McDonald's, Coca-Cola. We've then got the opening bell, the closing bell. And then after all of that, we've got Microsoft and Google. It's huge tomorrow. One of the biggest days of the year tomorrow. And here comes the rise into the bell. As predicted, what I expected. I wasn't fearful for a moment. Not a moment. Here it is. Here's the Google earnings. We have Google and Microsoft. We're covering Google in the morning. It's going to be a massive day tomorrow. Make sure that you follow us all day. Get yourself prepared. Buckle up. If these earnings reports are half decent, and when I say half decent, I mean not disastrous. Half decent will be not disastrous. The stocks will rally. What's happening now? We're selling off prior because people who don't know what they've invested in, Snapchat, which is a joke app, let's be honest. Snapchat, seriously, how do you compare Snapchat to Google? Google and Meta all dropped after Snapchat because people just are fearful and they spook the markets. It's like, boo, and they jump, I mean, it's absolutely ridiculous. Rob, are you coming to the meet and greet? I hope so. It's not just the morning now. For the backers who backed the Kickstarter campaign, you get a free invitation to the party in the evening. For those of you that didn't back the campaign, $50, and we have a discounted rate at the hotel. You can be at the party with Tom, the DJ, and myself, and all the traders in the evening as well. It's a once in a lifetime, probably never happen again. We wanted to make it even better. So Elton John may make an appearance. He may be there. All right. That would be cool, wouldn't it, if Sam came down? All right. Martyn, when will you send out the invites? The invites will go out in the newsletters. The information will be in the newsletter. For those of you that back the campaign, you know who you are. I will list the names in the newsletter. That's how it will go out. You'll also get messaged through Kickstarter as well. Ali, did you back Kickstarter? If you didn't, it's $50 or £50 in the super chat, and you'll get an invitation. And that invitation will go out straight away. You'll receive that like tomorrow. It's confirmed. The event is confirmed. All right. It is first come, first serve. We have a limited number, so it's not anyone can go. Of course, I backed it. Well, there you go. Then you got your invitation, so I can book it off. Yeah, it's already happening. 15th of October. It's official, and I will give you information about the hotel that we are staying at, and you can book a night there if you want to at a discounted rate. All right? Wonderful stuff. Now then, Paul B. Paul B is here, our expert on crypto. Are you able to call in, Paul? Because Aquatic asked, will XRP go up once this lawsuit is over? He asked that question. I'll just scroll up a minute. Aquatic, Aquatic. I'm guessing Paul B is a major investor in it. Let's have a little look. Right. Aquatic asks, hello Martyn, do you think XRP will rise after the lawsuit is finished? So if Paul B wants to call in and share his opinion, do you think XRP will rise after the lawsuit is finished? You are the man to answer that question. It's not me. Here's his comment right now. XRP on certain exchanges, liquidity levels are extremely low. I still feel a further dip in crypto market, but if you don't own any after this and the court votes in a favor, XRP will rocket. There you go. I answered it. So there you go. He's answered it. Paul B has answered it. Aquatic for you in the chat. Okay? I hope that makes sense to you. All right. Thank you, Paul. Good stuff. Right, let's carry on going through the stocks right now. We've got Day Trader of the Day coming up. If you're over there on TikTok, welcome to all of you this afternoon. If you want to be in our cash prize giveaway, you need the link that I give you on YouTube. Just look up here. Here's the profile, or you can type this into the search bar right now. Here's the address coming up now, youtube.com/thedaytrader1. Okay, that's over there on TikTok for you now if you want to come and join us. All right. Pleasure. Thank you, Paul B. Rio Tinto held very well today despite the markets being down. Not only are we up 6%, we've got a 13% dividend to pay out. The S&P is trying to push back up again, only down a small amount. Oops, I didn't back enough for the party and the meet and greet. All right, Vanguard, S&P, Virgin Orbit's having a good day. We've got flights in September for Virgin Orbit, so that's looking very good indeed. All right, time to run a quick commercial break. We do have Day Trader of the Day coming up in 28 minutes time from now. So let me run the ad. Here it comes. Okay, there you go. Let me check everybody over on Twitch. Thank you so much indeed. So we've just found out, Tom has just informed us, if you are a Prime customer on Twitch, you just add gaming. I think Mike asked me, or someone asked me the other day about that. They said, I need gaming. It's free. You just turn it on, and then you can subscribe to me on Twitch, and then you'll be in the monthly free prize draw. Okay, here is the Twitch channel. Very, very easy. Thanks, Tom, for letting us know. All right. Rio Tinto looking nice. Vanguard S&P is trying to come up. Can you check NLY? I want to see if Rio has a bigger dividend than them. NLY. Let's have a look. NLY. Annaly Capital. I'll have a look for you. Here we go. Exactly the same. 13.66. 13.66. There we go. Annaly Capital, it's up. It's down 45% this year. So Rio Tinto is far ahead because Rio Tinto has grown. Plus, it has the same dividend. So there you go. I haven't looked at its history. Also, let's have a look. When was it founded? 1996. Yeah, and also Rio Tinto is been around since 1962. So if you want to compare the two for dividends, history and reliability, at a very quick look at that, you would say that Rio Tinto beats NLY. Just on a first look. If you look at the history of Rio Tinto, over 5 years is up 35%. So Rio Tinto is much better. Looking to get into Rio as well. Yep, I do have it. The other day, it presented me with an almighty opportunity. We had a really big drop. It's a 10% drop in one day, and I managed to here, really big drop, and I picked it up here. I tripled up my investment here, so I'm up now 6.5%. I'm really happy with that, and I've got a very good position, nearly 3%, and those dividends are just, phenomenal, and they'll be reinvested immediately. So looking good. Waiting for a huge drop again, and I'm in. What I am doing now is my portfolio is starting to really find a great bottom, if you like. What I'm doing now is I have worked out that over the next 10 years to retire, I need to put away $100 a week or whatever. I've calculated how much that is over the period of time, and I've put it all in now. It's all in. I am fully invested. I've emptied my bank accounts. I am fully invested. I don't need to buy any more. That doesn't mean to say I won't. If I take some profits on something, I'll reinvest it. But I don't need to bring any more money in from the bank or any money I earn on YouTube. I am fully invested. I don't need to put any more money into the markets. I bought all I need because, and I will explain it right now. Look at it here. What I used to get here over that year to get here, right? Let's say I had 100 stocks. Let's just say I had 100 shares. Say, now I have 10,000 shares. And many, many more shares at stocks a lot cheaper than they were here. On average, 50% cheaper. I bought Virgin Galactic here at 35. Now I have Virgin Galactic at 6. Right? And I have many, many more. So what I built here over that period of time, from here to here, could happen in days, if not hours. We've had days when I've been up 11%. If I could do that for 2 or 3 days in a row, I'd be back up here. And then from there could rocket up. So that's the way I'm doing it. And what I'm doing now is I'm only buying the stocks I already have if they go significantly lower than my lowest price, than my average, if you like. All right, that's it. My average now is 55.80. I'm on Rio Tinto, for example. I will buy it if it goes to say 54. Or 53. I won't buy it anymore at this level. There's no need, because it's all about peace of mind and relax and chill out and enjoy the growth. I don't need to risk any more money on the market. I'm fully invested and I'm happy with that. All right, 20 minutes to go. Let's have a little look. If I had 1,000 to invest, where do I put it? Where do I put it? You're over on TikTok. You need to be on YouTube. I often get people ask me questions on TikTok. The main traders and the investors are on YouTube. The link's in the profile. And here it is on the screen right now, across the top of the screen, youtube.com/thedaytrader1. You can come and talk to our traders, and we'll help you any way we can. All right. For those of you that are just tuned in, who've never seen us before, click subscribe, ring the bell, and let us know you are here. And give us a thumbs up, and that would be absolutely appreciated. Really, really would. It helps grow the channel. All right. Now then, if you want to be in our cash prize giveaway, we do it every single Friday, and how you get into the draw is via our newsletter, and you have to subscribe to it. It's free. We don't message you unless you ask for it, and you can unsubscribe at any point. Okay, and we have a HTTPS secure server, so it's the highest level of security. Here is the link and the invitation for the newsletter. And once you've clicked on it, you'll come to this page here. You'll see this page here, and you put your email in, nothing else. I don't ask for your name or address or phone number or anything, and then verify the email. Now, because it is it mentions the words free and cash prize draw, you have to search for the email. It's sometimes, the verification email sometimes goes into your junk box, and the email you're looking for is thedaytrader@martynlucas.com. There it is in the chat. Okay. All right. And once you verify, I can tell you verified, and you will show up on the screen. Very, very easy. And right now, as you can see, there are 119 now who have subscribed to it, the Day Trader, and 90 verified. So there are 19 of you sorry, 29 of you that haven't verified, you will never receive the email. So just register again using my link, and you'll send you the verification email, and you'll be in. All right. Okay. Look at our stocks now. We're trying to come up. We're down 1.75. Let's have a quick cup of tea. Okay, Rio Tinto is up 3.57. Vanguard S&P is pushing up right now. I'm only down 1%, only $126. We were there yesterday. We went black on it. We went into the green. We could go green before the day's out. I could see it happening very easily. Virgin Galactic is trying to push up. Let's look at the volume today. The volume today is, the average volume is 6. Today it's 5. It's just below average today. Which is great. There's not a lot of action going on. Not a lot of action because the news is thin at the moment, but it's about to come out. And it's the same thing that happened before. People sold out, the stock went down. And people are sat on the sidelines. But sitting on the sidelines means you'll lose out because you won't be in the market when it goes up. Here is Paddy. I'm happy, Tom. You'll be our DJ. Promise that you'll make me happy when I'll ask you some songs to dance that I prefer. There you go. See, Paddy, I always make you dance. There you go. Tom always makes you dance, apparently. Right, for that I refuse. I will go, I'm not dancing. These songs are rubbish. I'm going to be Tom's biggest heckler. I'm going to go, who are the DJ? Who are the DJ? This DJ's rubbish. This DJ, I'm going to be saying that all night. I'm going to refuse to dance. I will tell you now, Tom, there's one song if you put on that will get me dancing. And I've got one of my best man at my wedding. I'm going to invite him as well. And that is Baggy Trousers Madness. Because I'm an 80s boy, right? Da, 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 baggy trousers. Da, 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 da. Baggy trousers. You put that on, and me and my mate Mark, who was the best man at my wedding, we will dance it. I promise you that. We will dance it. Amazon coming up now. What we need to look at now is McDonald's and Coca-Cola in the morning. McDonald's and Coca-Cola are reporting in the morning. Look at this. I want to buy some more McDonald's. I want to buy some more McDonald's if it drops. Okay? McDonald's, definitely. Coca-Cola has had a great day. It's not cheap enough now, though. Not cheap enough. See if I can get Suggs to join then. Yeah, do it. Her name Rio and she dances in the sand. I better hear that one. Oh yeah, Ali. Are you coming, Ali? Rio and they're dancing in the sand. Woo! Oh yeah, we want that. We want that. Party, party, party. Yep, that's right. Sounds like a mixed show then. Absolutely. That's why I'm not doing a poll, Tom. Do your own thing. Martyn, telling your funny feeling on Ethereum. Martyn telling your funny feeling on Ethereum September. Paulby, what does that mean? Martyn telling your funny feeling. Martyn telling your funny Ethereum. What does that mean? Martyn telling your funny feeling on Ethereum on September. Ethereum. I don't know what that means. Does anyone know what that means? I don't know what that means. I really don't. I actually don't know what that means. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at Ethereum right now. Oh, there we go. Down she blows. It's not low enough, though. I want Ethereum to go down below 35. It's got to go another 35% lower. I refused to pay more for it. I refuse to pay more for it. Go on, Bitcoin. My average now is 19,000. Go on, go to 18,000 and I'll buy some straight away. And quite honestly, I don't care if you go up without me. I don't care. My money will do better elsewhere anyway. I'm not worried. I only have to achieve $200,000 at 20% to retire comfortably. That's my target. Rob Brennan, W. What does that mean? What does W mean? Virgin Galactic. Right, we've got 15 minutes to go. Stocks are trying to pull up. Thanks for all the follows over there on TikTok. When Moon Space. You guys are doing it on purpose. You're saying stuff that make no sense. Right, over on TikTok, how are you this afternoon? If anyone subscribes to me on TikTok right now, at the end of the show, I will make you a video. I will make you a video and post it to your channel, because I will tag you in it for all my subscribers. And some days we do review stocks for our own subscribers on TikTok, and it's members only, subscribers only. You'll also win the Luca badge, and you'll be in our cash prize draws. Loads of perks and benefits if you subscribe to my channel. And I make your video for your channel a commercial, and your video will be on your channel, will be on this screen behind me. I do it right at the end of the show. You'll have it within 5 minutes of me finishing this show. I do it, all right? And I've done it for loads of people. Go and check it out, and they've all blown up. All right, Martyn, Ethereum and Ethereum. That doesn't even mean anything. Martyn, Ethereum and Ethereum. What does that mean? What does that mean? Great English, everyone. Yeah, I know. Martyn and Ethereum and Ethereum Classic will go nuts in September, in other words. Okay. All right. That's better. That I can read. Okay. Rio Tinto, Vanguard, S&P down. Ali on the Sand is just a little bit complicated to dance, but will be perfect anyway, says at Paddy April from Italy. Our ladies from Italy are coming to the party. Very, very good indeed. Virgin Orbit is up 3.91. If you want to be there and you're not a backer for Kickstarter, that's all too late now. You can do a $50 or £50 super chat. Same thing, simple, and you will be there. Delirium. How are you? We're delirious. We're delirious here this afternoon. No, Tom, I don't think so, says Rob Brennan. Rob Brennan, I don't think he's going to make it. We've now got a hotel accommodation if you want to stay over. Discounted rates. It's an all-day event. And Rob Brennan would be at the daytime event as well, because he's a backer. All right. Lucid. Polestar is up 0.06. Oh, Polestar's popping up. All of a sudden we got some movement. I did say we could get a green into the after hours. I was right once. No one listens to me. What do I know? When do you think the space stock price will significantly increase, Martyn? Where are we now? July, September. September. That's when it will go up. September. Martyn, don't answer any of Rob's comments until he agrees to come. I have to. Rob Brennan, he's a member. It's a member's perk that I answer all the members. I can't do it. Oh, by the way, has everyone noticed that we've not had Bill now for a few days? I don't know if Bill's upset or whatever, but he's unsubscribed from the newsletters, and he hasn't been in for 3 days. I think he was put out a little bit by the fact there's more people in the show, and he wasn't getting all the attention. You remember he kept complaining he felt invisible. He wasn't getting all the attention he had when he was smaller. And so it looks like he's... it's a shame. I felt a real hole this morning losing Bill. He's been here since day one. But I think he was upset he wasn't getting all the attention he used to have and decided to quit. Which is a great shame, especially as we'd raised him $1,500 to buy his mobility scooter. Quite sad, that, really. But he's not just not watching, he has unregistered for the newsletters, both of them, the Martyn Lucas one and the Day Trader. And I don't know if he has cancelled his membership until it doesn't renew. That's when I find out. But anyway, bit of a shame. There you go. Let's have a little look here on our members. When he cancels it, let's have a little look. This is his channel. It says here who he's subscribed to. No, he doesn't display it, so I don't know. Anyway, it's a shame that. But there you go. Some people, it is what it is. Bill is here. No, he's not. Oh, there he is. He's back. I was blocked. I thought, hey, Bill, well, now I'm confused. Here's Bill. Bill, you cancelled all your memberships. You've deleted all your memberships for the newsletter. You cancelled them, so I thought you'd left. I was blocked. How was you blocked? What happened? I don't understand that. Here he is. I sent you a text as well. I called you, Bill. I thought something had happened to you. I sent you a text and you never replied. I actually at first thought you were ill. Then I thought, well, no, you can't be ill because you've unsubscribed from all the newsletters. He's not here. Did I win? He's here. He just won the draw. So you're okay then, Bill? I was going to say, Bill, where is my where I want my mug back. Yeah, he's here. So why did you cancel your why did you cancel the newsletters? Anyway, let's see if that is Bill. It might not be Bill. He might have been hacked. Moderator didn't like the joke I had done several times. No, well, Bill, if I'm honest, Bill, you used a very strong language and a moderator moderated you. The language you used wasn't very nice, Bill. You can't swear in the channel. Oh, I see. Well, Bill, you can't use language like that. I was actually quite offended when you said, you used the word, I followed my PENIS to get married to Leah. That was not very nice, Bill. And whoever moderated that, I stand by that. And you've been moderated again, Bill. It's not funny though, Bill. It's not funny. Saying that is rude. We can't have that sort of language. And but why did you delete? Why did you delete the newsletter? You can't win any money now, and as you know, you've received $1,500 for a fundraiser. Why would you cancel it? I don't understand. But it's up to you, of course. But you can't come on the show and swear and use language like that because it offended. It was offensive towards Leah. It's offensive towards me, and you've said a few things that are a bit beyond. Do you remember Dave Mottram's situation? That wasn't very nice either. We love you to bits, but you can't say stuff like that. We're a family here, and we, you don't say things like that. It's not funny though, Bill. Just saying. Anyway, as I said, the stocks would rise into the after hours. But I'm glad you're all right anyway. I texted you because I thought you were probably ill, but you always you text me every day, and I was concerned you wasn't very well, and you never replied to me, so I thought something had happened. But then I realised you couldn't have been ill because you cancelled the newsletters. So I don't know. Anyway, we love Leah. I'm glad you do. I love Leah as well. Right, there we go. As I said, look, folks, I said to you that it would go green into the after hours, and look exactly that. It has done exactly that. Sorry, the way it came out the first time, I had added the followed his heart, but. Yeah, but Bill, that's still rude, Bill. That's still rude. You can't say stuff like that. Okay? You can't say stuff like that. I know you're trying to be funny, but it's not funny saying stuff like that. I can tell you a few people were very upset with your I can say it now because he's not in here. The dead man walking comment. That was really awful, Bill. Anyway, Bill, just apologise and let's move on. Yeah, stop doing it. Stop saying the same things over and over again. Anyway, you've cancelled the membership for the newsletter, and that's up to you. But there you go. Tesla is down 1.34. The portfolio's coming up. I wouldn't be surprised if it turns green, if I'm honest with you. I think it could easily happen right now. We've got 5 minutes to go before the bell goes. I think it's very possible that the day could turn green. We're just down 1.35. Bill, apology accepted, mate. You have been there since day one. You're the only member who's been here since day one. Oh, I noticed you're not a member either. You cancelled that as well. I just realised that. Bloody hell, Bill. You cancelled everything. Anyway, sorry you cancelled everything, but I felt a big hole when you wasn't here this morning because you've been the only person who's been here since the very, very beginning. Since day one. And I hope you'll be here for 20 years. Anyway, that's why I did the fundraiser for you on my own gig. Anyway, moving on now. Vanguard S&P is about to turn green. I said it would. Come on. We just need a couple more dollars. In fact, all we need is 16 cents. 16 cents. The S&P has got to go up 16 cents. And I have $11,000 on it, and it has to go up 16 cents. That's not a lot. That's not a lot, right? Virgin Galactic is down 2.94. Virgin Orbit is up 3.93. Tesla is down 1.51. Rivian is down 0.89. We've got 5 minutes to go. Day trader of the day. If you're over there on TikTok, thank you very much indeed. If you want to be part of our show and you want to be in our cash prize draw, we have free cash prize draws for everyone. We have benefits for subscribers. We give away money every Friday. We have $100 on the 4th of August. Links in the profile to youtube.com/thedaytrader1. Here is the link right now. If you go to that right now, youtube.com/thedaytrader1, we're there right now. You can come on in, and if you come into YouTube now and say, hey, I'm from TikTok, I will put you in our free prize cash draw. We do it every Friday, and on Twitch we do it once a month. All right? Awesome stuff. Let's get back to the trades right now. Here we go. Oopsie-daisy, let me just clear this. Let me clear this top screen a minute. I forgot to clear it. There we go. Go on. There you go. That's better. Okay, let's get back to it. Ali Isles, floor is skyrocketing. Still got some bugs for one sale of $1,000, and I'll make one of them. Okay, Paul B. Can you check your messages in Discord? Yes, I will indeed check my messages in Discord. Thank you very much indeed. Personal messages, thanks a lot. I'm glad you mentioned that, Bill. As you've cancelled your membership, are you going to come back, or should we delete your channel on Discord and take you off the homepage of YouTube? I need to know, because it's a perk. It's a perk for silver members. I know you've cancelled everything, so are you coming back, or do you wish to remain cancelled? Let me know, and I will remove your channel and take you off the homepage, or I'll leave it. Please let me know. Remember the guy that fat-fingered buying GME and bought a 50,000 of GMED by accident and made a bunch of money? That never happens to me. Fusion 301. There we go. Right, we got 3 minutes to go, and the market, didn't I say, guys, it could turn green. Trying to find the re-membership. Oh, he wants to come back. All right, Tom, leave his channel on Discord. We'll leave the channel here on YouTube as well. Right, okay, Bill. Well, here's the link. If you want the newsletter to be in our cash prize draws, here is the link. There it is. I've posted it twice in the chat, and the email you're looking to the newsletter email to verify is here. There you go. There it is. That's the email you're looking for. And if you do it now, I shall see it pop up. The invitation link, I'll give you that now for the membership. Here we go. And if you subscribe, you will hold your history and still be a gold badge member. After so many days, you lose that. And anyway. Okay, here we go. We are about to turn green, quite possibly, right now. Rio Tinto, very strong today. Up again, nearly 4% plus the dividends. Vanguard S&P, as predicted. Get in, everybody. I said it would go green, and it has. Overselling today, folks. The lesson of today, if there is a lesson, is overselling. Seriously, overselling today. People fear. It's the biggest problem on the stock market. If people would only invest in what they understood, and what they liked rather than speculative gambling, we would not have such a volatile market. But if we didn't have a volatile market, I couldn't buy the dips. So carry on shorting the stocks, carry on selling out when you fear. And all this was caused by Snapchat, a jokey, silly app for children to play on. All of that was caused. Google, one of the biggest companies in the world, crashed as did Meta, 20% the other day, because Snapchat reported bad earnings. Come on, guys. Understand what you're investing in. And as I say, it's great when people sell out of the markets. Warren Buffett loves the red days. I love the red days. I use Snapchat and it's so dumb. There you go. I mean, it's the biggest joke there is. It's rubbish. It's not proprietary. And I'll tell you something else. Everyone goes, yeah, but you could send a picture and it disappears in 10 seconds and no one could keep it. Yeah, they can. They just do a screenshot and they keep it. People do all the time. It's a stupid app. And because nobody's paying for ads on it anymore, their earnings went down and everybody went, right, well, if Snapchat's earnings are rubbish, Google's going to be rubbish. Why would Google be rubbish? Because Snapchat is rubbish. If I'm a company, I'm going to advertise on YouTube and Google. I wouldn't even bother with Snapchat anyway. It's only for a bunch of kids that mess around. It's not for a business, is it? There you go. Anyway, you know I always tell you the truth, guys. Nobody buys Snapchat Plus. There you go. No, here we go. We're talking to a young man here who's a teenager, and he's telling you nobody buys Snapchat Plus. No, why would you? It's a lot of rubbish. Load of rubbish. Their Snapchat Plus is trash. It's so stalk your friends. There you go. Snapchat ads are as low as $3 now. There you go. It's rubbish. Rubbish. So why on earth the market went down? Because Snapchat reported. Anyway, let's ring the bell. The bell's gone and the shares are going up in the after hours, just like we said they would, because we invested in good companies, right? Invest in good companies. Simple as that. Let's ring the bell. There we go. The bell's going and we are trying to push up and turn green. Let's have a quick look. The overall portfolio's got one of the best bounces of the day. They begin for money. They begin for money now. Oh, they're begging for money now, I'd say. All right. Well, forget it. Just delete your Snapchat. Snapchat is just like Netflix. You can replace Netflix tomorrow. Amazon could buy them out tomorrow. You know when a company's in trouble when it focuses on one product and one product alone. And when you heard Netflix speak the other day, Netflix said the other day, oh, we got our new series, The Grey Man. Is that it? Is that and Ozark? They banged on about Ozark last quarter. That's it. Amazon could turn around and buy Ozark and stick it on Amazon, stick it on the BBC, stick it on Apple TV tomorrow, and then Netflix is finished. Oh, and by the way, you know Netflix is now going to go to a free option with ads, right? I literally went on my app yesterday and went, great, I'll have Netflix for free. I'll have Netflix for free. I literally looked at it yesterday and it said it's not coming until 2023. You watch what happens in 2023. If you've invested now in Netflix, you must be off your flipping head, because in 2023, 110 million people that are subscribers, I believe, on Netflix right now. That's all they've got globally, which is nothing, by the way, right? Are going to press the cancel button and go to the free version. And they better hope they make it on ads. That's all I'm saying. I'm not going to pay them anything. If you're going to give me the free version, I'll go for the free version. It's obvious. I don't mind watching an ad at the beginning. Save myself some money. I don't care. Anyway, there we go. Right, Lucid is going up in the after hours. Rivian is up in the after hours. We've got Day Trader of the Day coming up in a second as well. The Grey Man was a great film. The Grey Man might be a great film, Tom. But one film and a series, Ozark, is not going to save a whole network, is it? The BBC came on and said, we're relying on one programme to survive. People would go, I thought you were the BBC. Best day trader, respect for Martyn Lucas. DD Damage. Thank you, DD Damage. I just got a really cool comment from DD Damage. DD Damage, if you become a subscriber right now on TikTok, I will do a little gift for you. At the end of this video, in about 5 minutes, when I finish here, I will make you a commercial for your channel. I will make a video for your channel. Your channel on TikTok will be on this screen behind me, on the TV screen. And I will say, hey, my name is Martyn Lucas, the World Piano Man and the Day Trader. Go and subscribe and follow DD Damage. I will go and do that for you. And I will then tag you in it, put it on my profile, so all of my 21,000 followers see it, and it will link to yours, so they'll follow you and everything. I do that for all of my subscribers. They all get a viral video for free. Well, it's not for free, you're a subscriber, right? And then I also have days when I do subscriber-only videos and answer all your questions. And if you want me to make a video for you about a stock that you want, I make that for you also as a subscriber, and I tag you in that as well, so it goes straight onto your channel. All right? I'll do it for anyone. I do it for all of my subscribers. Did I get it right on the renew? Let's have a look. Bill, did you just resubscribe to the the newsletter are you talking about? Oh, it looks like it. Yeah, it's gone up to 92. No, I think Bill has just resubscribed to the newsletter. He's done that. He's not become a member on the Day Trader yet. He's not become a member on YouTube, though. So here is the invitation to join, Bill. There you go. Good afternoon, the Queen of Self-Braiding. How is everyone doing? We're doing very well. Bill got a little bit upset, but he's... He's decided he's not upset anymore and he's come back. He cancelled everything. He cancelled his newsletter. He cancelled his subscription. He did everything. But he's come back now. He's decided he wants to come back. So he's come back. So we're re-welcoming him back, our original member, Bill. How is Space doing after hours? Rob Brennan, exactly like I said it would. Are you guys starting to think, hang on a minute, Martyn Lucas seems to know stuff? With the real... There he is! He's now back as a member. Bill, what was that all about? What was that all about? Right, now, Rob Brennan, don't get upset because it's gone back down again. It doesn't matter. It's going up. Just chill out. There we go. Fantastic. Bill's back, everybody. Right, I'm going to leave Bill on the channel. We'll leave Bill wherever he is. All right. So then... the Queen of Self-Braiding, you missed some very, very important news. Do you want the news? You remember I said to you, we're having a party in England for all the backers of the Kickstarter. And you know I always undersell and over-deliver, always. Well, if you back the show for free, we are having a party in the evening as well. And you have a discount to stay in a hotel. Tom is the DJ, and it's for free. For those who didn't back the project... For $50 or a £50 super chat in the chat, you will be invited back as well for free. I'll get over it. It's an old man thing. There, you're not an old man, mate. You're part of the family. I love how the family can have hissy fits though, and everybody can have tantrums and get all upset, and we fix it. We fix it every time. There, Space should bounce tomorrow. It's a Monday morning after a silly sell-off, right? Let me tell you. Let me make another prediction, guys. I told you we would turn green at the end of the day, and we have. Look at S&P. It's pushing up big time. Life too short to be mad. Peter Maycott. That's right. Bloody right. Bloody right. So there you go. If you want to come to the UK in October the 15th, we're having a party all day now in the afternoon and the evening. Hope to Dexter so my kids can have a college fund. There we go. Tom, make us dream. Make us dream, Tom. Bloody hell, what's that about? That's a bit strong. Right. Vanguard S&P. Right, we've got Day Trader of the Day coming up. Right, this is my prediction for the morning. Snapchat ruined everything for 2 days, Friday and Monday. Can we get over Snapchat, please? Will everybody re-engage their brains for 5 minutes? All right. Tomorrow morning, it's McDonald's and Coca-Cola. Pre-hours. We'll be here. Pre-hours. Covering it. They only need an okay earnings. And all the markets will go up. And then Google in the afternoon. Google and Microsoft, the biggest. All in one day, this is happening. So if you want to be with me in the morning, we're going to go live 15 minutes early. If this does well, and when I say well, I mean just not disastrous. That'll be well. The markets will go up, and everybody fearful and being upset right now won't be fearful anymore. I hope. I buy a lot of McDonald's. I'm bullish. Yeah, so do I. I'm bullish. What? I always invest in what I know, what I like, and what I put my own money in. Makes sense, right? So go and like this now. Leave a comment. Leave a like. Share it. We'll be there in the morning. All right. Okay. So watch the markets recover tomorrow. It's already priced in for a disastrous earnings. Remember, the markets price everything ahead. So we're expecting awful. So it will go up. Look at the S&P right now, up. I'm only $72 from breaking even overall now. Right, and then let's get some context. Get some context. Over the month now, we are up. Look, we are up now by 6.5%. Over 3 months, we were down like 30 grand. We're only down 9 grand. It's much, 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 much better. All right. Okay, day trader of the day, and it's great to have you back, Bill. Thank you ever so much for subscribing and signing up for everything. Wonderful stuff. Good to have you back. Thanks, my dear. Glad you are feeling good, says Paddy and Queen and everybody else. Okay, I'm getting confused now. Everybody's everywhere. Now, we found out some very exciting news today. Tom did a bit of research for us and found out, actually, that if you wanted the Twitch subscription for free to be in the monthly draw, if you've got Amazon Prime, it's free. But some of you thought, oh, yeah, but I need gaming. Amazon Prime Gaming. Apparently, it's free. You just turn it on. You don't pay for it. And then you can have a free subscription and then be in a free draw. My day trader of the day is... My day trader of the day. Right, day trader of the day. Let's run a quick commercial break and do day trader of the day. Over there on TikTok, how are you doing? Just got another subscriber on TikTok. Thank you very much indeed. At the end of the show, I'll make your video, promote it for you, and your video will be up here, and I will tag you in it so your channel goes viral as well, like my channel does regularly. All right? I do it for all my subscribers. Awesome stuff. Okay. Quick break, day trader of the day, coming up right after these few words from my sponsor. Here we go. All right, I'm going to post my score on the door. Does selling NFTs count as day trader? No, it doesn't, Paul B. Bugger off. Good try. I'll give you that. Let's hear from Paul B. Here he is.
Keep watching Martyn Lucas. He's a cheeky chappy from the south of England, and he's a lot of fun.
Let's hear from Kurt Wookert, who's a star of crypto, as seen on Fox and CNN and all the major news networks. But more importantly, he's now appeared on The Day Trader. Oh, yes.
I'm Kurt Wookert Jr., and I am blessed to have been on The Day Trader. Please subscribe, watch everything. Martyn is being really, really honest with you guys. It's a killer thing. So check him out. You can check me out at CoinGeek.com and GorillaPool.com. It's been a pleasure.
There we go.
Okay, I was sleeping one day back on August 18th, and I woke up to Martyn singing a song. He advertised that he would do birthdays. My sister's birthday was going to be on that Friday, and he obliged and made a 34-minute video of that birthday party. It was so good, I haven't left the place. I've been here ever since as the place to be. If you want to have fun, make money, enjoy yourself, join the Martyn Lucas Daytime Trader Show.
There you go. Very nice. Good stuff. Now then, down 1% at the moment. So here we go. When the first person posts, I will give you a 1 minute on the clock. 1.06%. There's my score. Video sync is out for the Carl clip. Nothing I can do about that, Tom. It's perfectly in sync here. But thanks for letting me know. Appreciate it. All right, put your score on the doors. Here we go. Down 1.06 at the moment. The S&P is up today. I love it. Just $72 to go. So there we go. You ready? Here comes my score. When moon. I love these comments which make no sense. I read them out and thinking, why have I just read that out? It doesn't even make any sense. When moon. When am I going to the moon? When am I buying the moon? I was thinking of buying it today, actually. So post your scores up on the screen, and let's hear from the guys and the girls, all right? Let's find out who our day trader of the day is. The overall market is just down 1% right now. I'm okay with it. Perfectly fine. Rio Tinto. Here we go. Here come the first scores. Down, down, down. 1 minute from now on the clock. Down, down, down. So am I going to win today? I'm down just 1%. Let's put a 1 minute counter. Here we go. I said a real Satoshi, please stand up. Please stand up. I said please stand up. Will the real Satoshi stand up? Nakamoto. Hey, with the real Satoshi, please stand up. Say please stand up. Right, we've got Rob Brennan is down 3% or so. So I'm winning at the moment. I'm down 1.06. Umpapa. That's how it goes. Umpapa. Everyone knows. Satoshi is British. I am British. I'm from England. Where do you think I'm from, mate? Bloody hell. Yeah, some people say I'm the real Satoshi. They think I am. I get it all the time. When we record in the day trader theme song. Oh, stand up for the real Lucas Shady. Here he goes. All right. No more scores. Down 3%. Down 5.56. I think I'm the winner. It looks like I am the winner. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the show. Martyn Lucas wins again today. It looks like it. Down 1.06. Now, do you know why I'm down? I've been buying the dips and I haven't been selling out. That's why I am the winner today. So let me give myself a big round of applause just because I can. Thank you very much to me. I have many friends in England. Well, I hope your friends are coming to the day trader party in Cornwall on the 15th of October on the beach and at the pub. I'm new here. Wise Man 0073. Welcome, newsman. I'm on YouTube. You need to be part of it. YouTube.com/The Day Trader 1. Links in the profile. Come to the main show. This is the main show on YouTube here. All right. So thank you very much. Let's give a good thumbs up. Thumbs up to me. Thumbs up to me. I'm thanking myself. I can't believe it. And I give myself a round of applause for winning. There we go. No, I won. No, you didn't, Paul B. NFTs don't count. Overall portfolio just made $1,000 off one NFT. Well, do you know what? We should celebrate. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to do that. We are going to celebrate. Paul B is very excited. Is he a member of the family? Yes. He's a moderator? Yes. He's a member. Soon to get a nice gold badge. That'll be turning gold soon. So, just for Paul B, for being happy, and most importantly, by making $1,000, let's give him a fantastic congratulations. You ready? Everybody now, let's congratulate Paul B making $1,000 on one NFT. Here it comes. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Boom. Congratulations, Paul. Absolutely brilliant. Well done to you. There you go. Very, very nice indeed. Congratulations. Cheers. I was scammed on my gold badge. Yeah, well, you cancel. If you cancel and leave for a long time, you miss out. This is what I tell people all the time. You got to be nice. You got to be nice. You got to stay as a member, not like Bill leaving and then coming back. You got to be nice on this channel. The Queen gave gifts to my friends. The Queen gave gifts to my friends. Really? Very nice indeed. The Queen gave gifts to your friends. Very good indeed. I'm very pleased for you. All right, we've come to the end of the show. The markets are okay. We're preparing for earnings in the morning. Of course, it's diving a little bit. We're all preparing now for the earnings. And we're going to have McDonald's, which is down right now. I'd buy more if it went lower. I'm excited about it. And we also have Coca-Cola in the morning, which is up. So I'm happy with that. Not cheap enough to buy any more. Is play on drugs? Can I have? Is play on drugs? Can I have some? The Queen gave gifts to my friends. Hey, I'm not saying it's not true. It could well be true. I don't know. And then after that, after the earnings in the morning, we go to the opening bell and then the closing bell, and then we have Google and Microsoft. Google is looking good. Walmart is down 6.6%. Am I worried? No, I'm still up on it. Microsoft is also down at the moment, so I'm going to watch these. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to set myself some nice buy-ins for Microsoft. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to set some buy-ins at 5-10% down. So what happens is on these big, is a top tip, all right? Is a top tip right now that this could make you some money. Do you believe in Microsoft? Obviously. Do you believe in Google? Obviously. Do you believe in Coke and do you believe in McDonald's? Obviously. Are these the best companies in the world that you might want to own shares of? Yes. For me, it's obvious, right? So I am looking at these now and I'm going to set buy orders to buy Coke, McDonald's, Microsoft and Google on a ridiculously low amount, probably 10% down, because look what happened to Snapchat. There will be people who just before the earnings will sell to buy back. It'll drop. And it could go right back up again in 1 second. You can't buy those dips. You have to set a limit order to buy those dips. So pick a price that is significantly lower than your average that you wouldn't mind if it goes through buying. And if you get lucky, you get lucky. That's what I do on these big companies. Then you automatically get a cheap stock for a great company and automatically make profits and automatically lower your averages. So for me right now, I'll give you an example. I look at McDonald's and I go, right, I've got 2. I'd like to buy 2 more. Okay? And I'm up 2%. So I've got an average cost of $2.44. So I'd like to buy 2 if it goes down 10%. Well, 10% would be $24, so $200. So you look at the chart and you go, okay, when was it ever $200? You go back over 3 months, over a year, and you look at it and go, right, that was 222. Over a year, no, okay, it doesn't really go lower. Look, it was 148 there, 197 there, 186, and you go, right, wouldn't it be great if I could buy it for $200? And because the markets are heavily manipulated at the moment, and there's lots of idiots who don't know what they're doing, and there's lots of shorters, and lots of people who follow everybody on YouTube, all right, it could have a big drop in the morning. It could have a big drop in the morning and then bounce straight back. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to set a limit order. In fact, I'll do it right now in front of you so you can see me do it, right? So we'll go to McDonald's first of all, and if I end up getting it, one of these I'll get. Look at Amazon. There you go. Perfect example. See that? That's a perfect example of what's going to happen in the morning. It's a very, very, very easy way to buy shares on in the morning for the earnings. It's free money, all right? Over the year, that's Amazon's approaching a low price. Look at that. So I'm going to do this right now. This is a top tip of the day, guys. With the market so volatile right now, this is what's going to happen, right? So here we go. Let me have a little buy-in here. I'm going to set a limit order. Over the last year, 222 has been the lowest price. It's at 250 right now. 222. Where was that price there? 226. 226 over the year. 226, 229 over 5 years. Let's have a little look. 148. 212, February 2021. What's that one? 200. I mean, pick a number. Where would you like it to be? If I got a 10% discount, that would be 24. That would be 220. 220, 222, 220. Let's look over the year. 220, 222. I want it to go through 226, 225. Okay. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to put a limit order in. I'm going to put a limit order in here now to buy limit order of 225. 225. That's a really good discount. A really, really good discount. I'll buy 2. Right? Good for the day. Good till cancelled. Allowed to execute in after hours. So if it goes down to 225, it'll buy 2. And what that will do is that will dramatically lower my average. It'll come between 240 and 225. It'll be about 350, which will be great. Sorry, 235. That's what I meant to say, right? Review that. 225. Okay, now if we get this volatile, crazy stuff, estimated credit 450. If I get it, then brilliant. I get free shares, if you like, of McDonald's. Okay, let's have a look at that one. Now we've also got. Let's have a look at Amazon for a minute. Amazon's down 4%. I've got plenty of Amazon. I don't need any more Amazon, so I'm already fully exposed to it. Apple's not reporting tomorrow, nor is Amazon, so that's okay. McDonald's, I've set the limit order. Now let's go to Coke. Coca-Cola. It's about the market cap, not the price. We know it's not about the price. It's about the value. So then, Coca-Cola. Let's have a look at it right now. Coca-Cola. I've got an average of 62. So 10% discount. 10% discount would be $6.20. So what, $55? $55 would be a good swing. $55. When did $55 happen? Around about there. Round about there. So from here, that's up 21. That's 21, 30, 38. So that's like a 15% swing from where it is now. That's about right. 55. So $55. $55 would take me to there. $55. If you went to $55, 57, 52. Right. $55. I've got 18. So I'm going to set a limit order of $55 and shares of 18. 18. How much would 18 cost me? Just under $1,000. 18. Let's go 14. All right, 14. Okay, allow, review the order, and oops, hang on. Edit. Good till cancelled. Allow, review the order. 770. Review your order. There we go. If you go to $55, I buy 14, and this could happen in the morning with all this crazy stuff. Okay. Let's review that and buy $55 would be a really good price. Be around about here. If we look at it, 57. It's not been there since December 21. Okay. And buy. Okay, that's that. And now we're going to look at Google. I want to buy more Google. Now, the same thing. A 10% swing, a 10% drop, 110. So it would be 100. Let's have a look at 100. 108. 108. It went down as low as 105. 100. It hasn't been 100 since January 21. If you could buy it for 100, I could be really greedy and set it lower. Set it for 90, 105. It's round about there. January, right, so if it goes to 100, it's on 108 right now. It's been up to 142. $100 would be a 10% swing. If we look at average days, if we go from here, 9% up to here, that's a 10% swing there in 1 month. 8 down, that's a 10% swing there. That's the sort of swing we'd be talking about. Would you buy Google at 100? There we go. Let's measure these. 11% down. Right, that's it. Again, these are 10% swings. So 10% swings quite often. If you could buy it at these prices, 105. So I'll be a bit greedy. I'll go 100. Something's telling me 101 would be safer though. 101. 105, 105. 107. 107. 101. Right. $101. Okay. So limit order. 101. I've got 12. I'll buy 5. I'll buy 5. Okay, allow that to execute. And not all of these are going to go through. I'm not suddenly going to spend millions of dollars, am I? 301. Review the order. Okay, something might go though. And it lowers my average by 10%. 10% is a good... Google went down 10%. That's a good swing. And lastly, Microsoft. I'd like to own more Microsoft, okay? Same thing. A 10% swing of 258 with $25. So 260, take 250, 200, what did I say? $25. 260, 50, 40, 235 would be a 10%. 235. That's a good swing, 235. When was it last 235? It's been nowhere near 235 the low of the last year. Let's have a look. 235. Since around about there. Same again. 235. That'd be quite a drop. Right. 232 is 10%. Yeah. Thank you, Tom. I'm just guessing 235, so that's pretty good, right? 10% swing. Now, how often has it done a 10% swing? Here, we're down 11%, and here, we're up. There we go. There's about a 10% swing there over that 3 months. So it does do 10% swings. All right. So, 232. Let's go 232 then, Tom. 232. So, buy Microsoft, set a limit order. We'll put Tom's magic price in there, 232. All right. Now, I've currently got 3 shares. I'll buy another 3. That's good till cancelled. Allow the after hours review of the order. Now then, I'm not going to wake up tomorrow morning and have bought all of these and be, spent $3,000. I'm not. That's not going to happen. One of them might go through. 2 of them might go through. But on a speculative market where we get these dramatic drops on a company you want to own, this makes absolute sense. Okay, so 232, but Microsoft, good till cancel, allow, there we go. So there we go. So I'm now going to set that to buy. Now then, if I'm lucky and the stocks swing 10%, it means the earnings wasn't brilliant or people were fearful And why would you be fearful of Microsoft, Google, Coke, or McDonald's? But people will be. And I hope they are. Because if I wake up tomorrow morning and I've got 10% discounts on all those 4 stocks and all those assets have gone down, I am going to be absolutely thrilled to bits. All right? So there we go. McDonald's is placed. Coke is placed. The only bad thing about doing this is if it goes down 20%, I'll miss out. But those 20% swings will get bought up in seconds and you will miss them. I've seen Amazon go down in 1 second and straight back up 10% in 1 second. In 1 second, because a report gets leaked and boom, it drops and then straight back up. And I've caught that several times. And that's how I've got such a good position in Amazon. So there you go. There's my positions for the morning. Bye, guys. Girlfriend calling. I used to have a couple of Google stocks, but dumped them cheaply. You dumped them cheaply. Why did you do that? Play. Thank you ever so much for being here. Thanks ever so much. See you back in the morning, or hopefully back in the morning. Right, we're going to wrap up the show. Let's have a quick pick up on some of the comments. The split happened already with Google. Yes. The splits happened already with Google. Yes, it has. All right. Okay, let's finish off the show then. So then, can someone tell me what needs to happen now? If you're over there on YouTube, over there on TikTok, look up here now is the channel. If you subscribe to me throughout the show, I'm going to make you a promotional video right now at the end of the show. I know someone who already has subscribed to me, so on TikTok, to the end of the show, I'm going to make a commercial of your channel, tag you in it, put it on my homepage, which will get you my viral viewers. I've got 21,000 followers, and they will follow you because I will make the video and tag you in it and post it to you, and then you can download it and share it on your channel. I do that for all my subscribers because if I grow, we all grow. It's just what we do. If you want to be in our free prize cash draw, we do it every Friday, youtube.com/thedaytrader1. That's where we are now. The links are in the profile. Come and join us. If you come and join us right now, I will give you the link for this Friday's free prize draw. We do it every single week. We're trying to grow the best YouTube channel and the best TikTok and the best Twitch channel in the world. That's what we're trying to do. Martyn, will you have an Egg McMuffin and Coke in the morning? Dexter Sickles, I should, right? I should. Why should I buy an Egg McMuffin and a Coke in the morning? Because I own the company. And tomorrow morning, if we get a sale and some crazy people sell out their stocks of McDonald's and Coke and Microsoft and Google, guess who's buying it at 10% discount? Me. So there we go. It's only fitting. I agree. I'll have a little Coke with me sat right next to me. That's a bloody good idea. I like that idea. Should I have it in my day trader mug though? Should I have it in my day? I think I need it in my day trader mug though, right? I mean, it needs to be in the day trader mug. Look, it needs to be in that, doesn't it? It needs to be in that. Definitely. Right. Okay. Mike, would somebody announce, please, in the super chat? Sorry, not in the super chat. Would someone say in the comments, please, roll those credits? It's time to roll those credits because it's the end of the show. That is a resounding yes. Absolutely. Did you clip that video, by the way, Dexter? And I sent you a message on Discord. What I meant, and I'll clarify. If you clip the video, that's for free. You can just save that video. If you would like to own the video and so on, please let me know. It's a $50 super chat and I will edit the video. I have it until tomorrow. I only hold the videos for 48 hours. I will have the video. I will edit the video down for you, upload it onto Dropbox, something like that, and send it to you. And you can download it and actually own that video, which you could put onto a CD or a DVD, send to your friends, whatever. But if you want to use the clip version, that's free. If you want me to edit it for you, just down to the little bit that we did for you and upload it, you can have that for a £50 or $50 super chat. All right, my Walmart stocks got destroyed. Let's have a look at Walmart. What happened? Oh, Walmart. Hey, I don't have a problem with that. Down 8%. Thank you very much. Hang on a minute. This is great. Warren Buffett loves red days. So do I. 1 month. Hang on a minute. Thanks for letting me know. That's the low there, 120 over 3 months. That's the lowest over a year now. Great dividends. The dividends for Walmart are 1.68. They're not the best in the world, but they're not that bad. At 122 right now. Walmart, one of the biggest supermarkets in the world. It's definitely going to come back. All right, let's have a little look at it. Thanks for likely going much lower. All right. So I'll tell you what we'll do then. We're down 8%. I've got enough of it. I don't need to own anymore. I'm not selling it. I'm holding it forever because of the dividends. What I will do then is set a limit order. And we are down 1.28. 12 bucks off that would be down another 10%. If I could buy, okay, I'm going to set a limit order. I'm going to set a limit order to buy 6. Buy a limit order. Okay. Set a limit order. What should I set it for? What would you say? Over 5 years, where it's 122. How low could it go? 114. Go back 587. Blimey. Pick a number. I wouldn't touch it until it breaks below 100. Well, let's have a look. 100 is up 32% compared to up 60. That's a 30% swing then. Another 30% swing. 100. I don't think that's realistic. Trying to buy it for 100. That's unrealistic, I would say. But that's another 30%. 24 bucks. That's a 20% discount if I buy it for nearly 100. Okay. Let me set a limit. Let me do that then. Love it. I love when stocks go down. Everyone gets upset when stocks go down. I don't. I see it as an opportunity to buy cheap stocks. Walmart's a great company. It's not going to go bust. You've got dividends anyway. You got free money out of it. 120. Okay. We're going to roll the credits in a second, but we're getting now the lowest price that we've had for a year. 52-week low is 117. We're nearly a year low. 117. Need to buy at Meta now. Let's have a look at Meta. What's Meta doing? Meta, no. I've got enough Meta. Let's have a look. What did Target react the same way? Yeah, Target reacted the same way. Target is down a little bit as well, but I'm not so bothered about Target. And it's coming back. Target's coming back. So Walmart. Hang on, set a limit order, 120. Looks like the Sea Hotel night is still there in Tyrian Sea. Verona, Venice, Rome, Naples. The Church of... I played puts on the retail stocks and it's paying off. People don't have money to shop like they used to, so malls are empty in parking lots. Yeah, but Amazon, Walmart wants to be like an Amazon. So you write off Walmart would be a big mistake, I think. Let's have a little look. You know, 37, Rio, SMP, Virgin Orbit, Tesla. I'm just looking at how the other markets are reacting to this. Lucid, Polestar. We're gonna do a quick commercial break here, and then we're gonna put our order in for Walmart. Let's have a look. Arrival. Amazon down 5. I just have too much of it though. I don't need to buy any more Amazon. This is preparing for the morning. That's what this is, guys. This is preparing for the morning, and then it'll all come back up again. Apple, I got plenty, and it's at my buy-in price now. Amazon is down 5%. It's not low enough. Robinhood, Coca-Cola. I've got my buy set in place. Johnson & Johnson, I'm fine. Google, I've got set in place. Microsoft, I've got set in place. Meta, SoFi, IonQ, PayPal. I'm looking to see how the markets are reacting to this. Walmart. It's what's the volume now? 5.41 volume. Is the average. It's on 4. It's not masses of volume today. Buy limit order 121. There you go. I bought 2. It's coming back up. 121. I lowered my average. I know you said you'd buy it under 100, but I don't see it going that low. I've just bought 2 more. But what I will do is 12 would be 10%, 20%. What did I say? 20%, wouldn't it? 20%. It's not going to go down 30% in a day. I don't see that happening at all. 2. I'm going to set a limit order. I'm going to set a limit order, yeah, to buy 2 more. I wouldn't want to own any more than that. 2 more. Good tool cancelled. Allow, and I'm going to set a price at... What am I feeling here? I don't really want that much more of it. So I'm thinking... I just like to lower the average all the time. I'm thinking we're already at 120. We went to 157. We're not going to go to 100. I don't see that. I think $12 off would be 110. 10% again. 110. Okay. Limit price 110. 110, 2 shares. Good to cancel. 220 review order. There we go. There you go. That's what I'm going to do. And if that happens, that happens. There we go. It's bottomed out already. So that's not going to take long before that comes back up again. All right, I'm happy with that. Okay. Did you see what happened to Walmart? Yeah, is Amazon a buy now or should I wait? Amazon's always a buy. Amazon is always a buy. It's down 5%. The trouble is with Amazon, I already own. It's oversold in my opinion. And Amazon have just now acquired Medical One as well. So there's every reason why they should go up, not down. This is overselling. For having 28 shares of Amazon, $3,000, it needs to go down 20% before I touch that. So, and I've got enough now and my position's big enough, so I don't want any more. I'm done. I'm done. It's time to roll the credits. Okay, I'm going to get ready for tomorrow morning's show. It's the big day tomorrow. Everything happens tomorrow on the show. Let's have a look. Did we gain any subscribers during today's show? Let's have a quick look. Let's have a little look. 3932. Oh, we lost 2 subscribers. We lost 2 subscribers. Bill, did you unsubscribe from me? Just checking that. All right. Okay, there we go. Over there on Discord. Let me check any messages coming through. I don't think so. New mentions. In broadcast. We're going to close the in broadcast screen. Let's end that. Okay. Great. Okay. Good. We're done. All right. Credit those rolls. Yep, roll the credits. Let's see who gave me a tip. Let's see who became a member. Let's see who subscribed. It's time to say goodbye, everybody. I'll see you back in the morning. It's time to roll the credits. And that's it from me today. Thank you ever so much for being here. I took a little Greek in college, says Dr. Sickle. It's all going on there. And let's finish off the show. Thanks for being part of it. And let's roll the credits. And let's see who took a part in today's show. Here we go. Roll the credits. Here it comes. So what a day this is. We're all prepared for the morning. Bill doesn't count if he's in here. The thanks. We got no one moderating. Oh, there we go. Bill became a member. There we go. We had no super chats today. Absolutely rubbish. We had no one become a member on Discord today. We had a couple of subscribers on TikTok. Shad Stream. How are you, Shad? How are you, Shad? Lovely to have you over there on TikTok. Thanks so much indeed. If you're a TikToker and you want me to blow up your channel, just subscribe to my channel on TikTok, and at the end of the show, in literally 5 minutes from now, I'll go to your channel, I'll put your channel on the screen behind me, and I'll make a video promoting your channel, tag you in it, and then I'll send it to you, and you can post it onto your channel saying, hey, click and follow Shad Stream's channel. Absolutely brilliant. And there's many other perks you get as a TikTok subscriber as well. So think about that. Shad, thank you so much for all the likes, all the follows. There we go. So Bill was the star of the show. Can you believe it? We didn't get any moderators. We didn't get any other followers, but we did get Bill back as a member. Absolutely fantastic. What a day. So that's it from me. Now, don't forget to join us in the morning. It's going to be a great day tomorrow, a day for opportunities. We might see Walmart go below and buy a couple more shares. We might see McDonald's and Coke go down. If they do go down 10%, I'll be picking up shares and buying some of the cheapest stocks in 2 or 3 years. So I should be very happy with that. I'll be lowering my averages, which is exactly what it's all about, and enjoying it bouncing back. I don't think tomorrow's earnings is going to be as bad as everybody thinks. I think it'll be okay. So join us in the morning as we go 15 minutes early with the show. when we do Coca-Cola and McDonald's. We've then got the opening bell. We've then got the closing bell. And then after hours, we've got Google and Microsoft. Flipping heck. What a day we've got today. Well, that's it from me. Thanks for being here. Until then, take care of yourselves and each other.